Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Good morning. Here with you to go through the Bybit top 10. So if you haven't already, go and open an account on Bybit and put some money in there. They've got some really good mining options and they're a good crypto platform. Overall, they're a good exchange. So, Bybit top 10, or what are we looking at? Now, from the title of the description of this video, it's like, how do we trade a sideways market? A lot of people say sideways is bad, and in some cases it is, but in other cases we can trade it, and it is good. So, let's have a look. All right, having a look at Bitcoin. So, we've come off that level, we've sold off a bit. We could go anywhere from here. We really could. We could go up, we could go down. There's certainly no, we're in a zone of value. Is there anything for us to trade here today? Let's have a look at the 8, have a look at the 12. Not really, everything's very sideways. But I'm going to share with you one of the techniques, like our breakout technique. That's how we do trade these sideways markets. I'm not going to share, like, the people that are in our community that are tuning in here today, they'll know the in and outs of the breakouts, but that's what I'm going to be focusing on this scan, because there's not that many cradle trades around, but if you do know our breakout strategy, you'll know how to trade it. These sideways markets are fabulous for those types of trades. Ethereum, sideways, look at the daily, go to the 4. Not much there, it's just nothing. There's no cyclicity, there's no trend. And you can go out to these higher time frames. The monthly looks all right, of course. We do have a very nice pullback into the cradle zone there on the monthly and nice convergence. But these lower time frames, nothing there. Now on to XRP. Morning MD. Morning MD, how are you? XRP, have a look at the 8. Let's have a look at the 4. So this is one where a sideways market, we have a flat level forming. Now, if you know our breakout strategy, if price works into that level, we do want to know about it, and if you know how to trade it, you'll know how to trade it. So there's definitely a flat level there in XRP. Now to ADA. Now that's a dismal looking chart, isn't it? But pop a level in there, go to the 12, go to the 8, go to the 4. Nothing really there for us in ADA either. Now, it looks like we are seeing a little bit of buying coming in here on Bitcoin. It looks like 2%, 3%, a little bit of buying coming in. But how that looks on the chart overall is another story. Sol on the daily. Let's have a look at Sol. It's really like come off its highs, hasn't it? Let's have a look here from the top. Tracement of about 70%. Enough data there on the monthly. Again, looking for Sadia, how are you? Have a look at the 12, have a look at the 8. Yeah, again, there's a flat level forming there, but we need more work into that level. Let's have a look at BNB. Again, sideways here in the daily, even though we do have a bit of, this is what sideways markets do. And if we can find the flat levels, and there's not enough cyclicity for cradles, we will win. Nothing there on BNB. Now have a look at DOT. We are testing this daily level here on DOT. Go to the 16, go to the 12. Again, this level becomes defunct as we go further down, but look at the 2-day. Again, nothing there for us in DOT. Now Luna. Wow. What a chart Luna is, eh? Really bucking the trend for a lot of these contracts. Now, look at that from those lows. 125%. Wow. Very, very good. Very strong chart structure here on Luna. Looks a lot like gold, to be honest with you. Is there anything for us to trade here, however? No, some nice cyclicity coming in here on Luna. Like a nice pullback into the cradle zone here, but nothing really there. Have a look at the 2, have a look at the 1. Some cyclicity forming here on the 1. If that carries on, pulls back, yes, that would be, I would love to know about that. Now on to AVAX. Somewhat of a flat level forming here in AVAX. Go to the 12, we go to the 8. Yeah, not too much there. Now, if you are in our community, so you know this is just a top 10 scan. I've already done the perp scan for today, and I'll let you know what's in there. But for those of you not in our community, these flat levels do represent our breakout strategy. And if you want to learn that, you can go to our website. Have a look at Doge here. Look at this. We've broken this daily level. I'd be really keen to see if we pull back into that. But it's just, yeah, it's too messy on these lower time frames, like bing, bing, bing. There's some nice cyclicity coming in here. Oh, a nice little cradle there at 7 p.m. last night. But, you know, for me to trade this, I'm really looking for a trend here in the daily, maybe a drop down and a test back up for me on Doge. So, well, let's go to our list and have a look. So Luna's the only one on our list of the top 10, which is fine. But again, that influence on flat levels. Hey, Bobby, how are you, man? So that really looking for flat levels today. That's how I want to trade this sideways market. Don't mind if it's to the long side or the short side. If it's a good setup, I'll take it. But that's really what I'm looking for. There is some nice trend coming in here on Luna. Look at this, high low. High low, if that pushed on to $88 or whatever, came back and we retested here at 86 and had a pullback and a little bullish candle in the zone there, it'd be really, really good. Really good as well. Let's have a look at the lowers here. Yeah, I'd say the 1 hour on Luna. The Luna perpetual contract on Bybit. I hope you're all well. If you're in the community, I'll see you in there today. I'll definitely around like I always am. I'm very motivated to trade, but we will see what this beautiful market gives us, what opportunities it gives us. Very grateful for this market and its volatility. I'm grateful for everything. As always, guys, safe trading, and I'll talk to you all soon. Take care.